Hi, I'm Daniel Broomfield. I'm from Brampton, Ontario, Canada, and I'm a third-year medical student at American Canadian School of Medicine.
First time I met the students coming in from ACSOM, and they were confident, they were humble.
It feels gratifying to see our students now in clinical rotations and doing so well.
We look for students who are a little bit more mature in terms of being able to be independent when they're on rotations.
My rotation currently is internal medicine.
They asked the right questions and they really jumped into it, from the beginning.
Be able to get out of their comfort zone.
In the mornings, I do my own running. They assign patients to me.
Have the initiative to ask for things to do or initiate an offer to do things while they're on service.
I give report to my residents, and then we have table rounds, and then we have actual rounds where we go and see the patient, and then we just carry out the day from that point.
The feedback that we've had from our West Coast affiliates and also our East Coast affiliates has been uniform in that they love our students.
Typical difficulties of a new environment, new place, going from transitioning from a classroom to a hospital setting.
I didn't know what to expect. I had no idea what was going to happen.
Theoretical patients versus real life patients.
The main difference between theoretical and just practical is just you have to critically think at each step of the process.
They've done wonderful. They've asked the right questions. They've taken a step back and learned when they had to. They self-reflected.
When you're dealing with a real life and a real patient that has a family and has a job and has other responsibilities, you got to really critically evaluate every step of the process.
I'm overall greatly impressed.
But here at Nazareth, it's been great.
You can learn from absolutely anybody. It's not just the attendings you're working with, it's not just the other residents, it's the nurses, it's the techs.
I'm looking forward to being a better third-year medical student, being a better clinical student, and just really making a great impression on my patients and on the people around me.
A school is going to be defined by the success of its graduates.